AI for pretty extensively for the last couple years, but I'm actually becoming a certified AI engineer now. And I very strongly believe that two of the most valuable skills that you're going to be able to learn in the near future are going to be a combination of, being able to effectively use prompt engineering and AI, but then specifically being able to use those things to build stuff. And I think regardless of whether you're a developer already or you're wanting to learn to code, being able to effectively harness the power of AI to code is going to be huge. And I think we're going to see the role of software engineer evolve over the next few years into more of like an orchestrator, where you're going to be able to sort of direct your AI tools to what you want them to do and where you want them to go. And one of the big misconceptions here, I think, is that means you don't need to actually learn how to code itself manually. And while it may be true that you're not going to have to learn how to code manually, I don't think that it's true that you shouldn't learn how to code. You can't effectively tell the AI what to do and instruct it for what you want it to build without understanding the foundations of what you're actually having it do, because then you're not going to know if it's doing the right things or the wrong things. And so what this channel is really going to focus on is a couple different things, all centered around coding with AI. That's the real mission of this channel, is learn to code with AI. And that can manifest itself in a couple different ways. If you don't know how to code, then maybe your goal is you just want to learn how to code using AI as a tool. So using things like Cursor, which is my primary tool for learning to code with AI. We're going to be doing a ton of stuff on how to build things with Cursor and build things with a combination of different tools like maybe Claude, V0, Lovable, Cursor, these kinds of things. Cursor is my go-to. I think that's the best one. But the other side of this is actually learning to build AI-powered and LLM-powered applications. And this is related, but a different skill set. And so those are the kind of the things that we're going to be diving into, because I do think that they're highly related. I think LLMs are going to be so ubiquitous and so incorporated into anything that if you want to learn how to code at all, I think understanding how AI works and understanding how to build LLM-powered applications is going to be an essential skill. So we're going to be covering all different kinds of stuff. We're going to be covering things using JavaScript and Python. We'll be covering frameworks like LangChain, LangSmith, LangGraph, how to build agents. We'll be covering how to just build basic JavaScript apps using something like Cursor. We'll be looking at both the JavaScript and Python libraries for some of this stuff. We'll be looking at frameworks like Vercel's AI SDK to help you get up and running quicker. We'll be looking at some of the fundamentals also, like prompt engineering is huge when you're building an LLM app. A huge part of your job is just going to be writing good prompts. The other big part of your job is going to be setting up these chains and these pipelines and then learning how to effectively evaluate them. That's a huge topic that we'll cover a lot. But the goal here is really to help you learn how to more effectively code with AI, whatever you want to build. Whether you're a developer and you want to just get more efficient at your job, whether you're a solopreneur or a builder and you want to just learn how to quickly iterate and spin new products up, if you want to become an AI engineer, anything centered around coding with AI, that's the kind of stuff we're going to cover on this channel. So what I'm probably going to end up starting out with is some fundamental stuff on like coding with Cursor and some basic stuff on building your first LLM powered application. We'll go through some of the fundamentals like agents, RAG, evals. I think is a really underappreciated, undercovered topic. So we'll talk about all that kind of stuff. But yeah, all of it's going to be centered around learning how to code with AI. Really looking forward to creating some content and getting some of this stuff out here and helping people learn how to code with AI. So thanks for visiting and looking forward to making more videos for you soon.